WordPress Optimize. It's an add-on through Updraft Plus. You want to speed up your WordPress website uploads. I'm very new to the game. I'm going on 3 years that I've been using WordPress and learning and building websites. And here's one. This only has like 20 pages and the upload was ridiculous, beyond slow. And this started uploading super slow too. I said, I have to learn more. And I learned about Updraft Plus, which led me to their WordPress Optimize. And I already see a significant difference. There's a lot of information to cover, so I'm going to move fast. The whole point of using WordPress Optimize is to make my site fast and more efficient. It's to clean the database, compress images, and the caching. Let's go to optimizations. Right off the bat, after you install the plugin, you'll have it in your dashboard, in your WordPress dashboard. And what you want to do is you want to check. I'm just sharing with you what I did. Check the top box. Checks all the database to optimize. Make sure you do a backup before you do this. I have it set up on auto backup at 4 a.m. to back up my websites. And I click Run Optimization. And I run all selected optimizations. And it did it, and I already noticed a difference. Then I noticed even more of a difference. I started about 3 years ago. I would buy plugins, add freebie plugins, then deactivate them to delete them. If you're familiar with WordPress, you know that's how it works. I don't use these plugins anymore, but yet they're still in my table taking up space. Well, that slows the upload of my websites. I don't want that. So with MyIncomeJob, oh, they're both on the store bar now. I deleted all of these. All the plugins that I wasn't using anymore and were not installed. This is in my store-by.shop. I gave Amazon Autolinks a try. It's a plugin. There's nothing wrong with the plugin, but I chose not to use it. I like to create codes and embed them manually. That's how I like to build my websites. I have to remove these because they're taking up space. They're slowing up the upload process. They're slowing down the upload process. I want to get rid of these kilobytes of space that they're taking. Here's another thing. Ninja Forms. Nothing wrong with the plugin. Great service. I might even use it in the future. But for now, I don't want this on my store-by.shop. And it have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Whatever I did when I was starting out, learning, I know I deactivated them and I know I deleted them. Why are they still in my tables? I'm going to remove all of these. That's going to speed up the upload time of my websites. That took me a while to understand. That's a big no-no. See, these are all in use and they belong to something because they don't have the remove button. Oh, WordPress Discuss. I remember in the very beginning I used that. You could tap, you click on it and it opens up in another tab so you can refresh your memory, guys. If you're hesitant and you can't remember, the moment it opened up in a new tab, I said, oh, I haven't used that plugin. I remember testing it out, I didn't like it or whatever the reason, and I use comments, the comment section of my WordPress. I don't need these. These are all taking up space in my tables, which when someone visits my website, slows down the process of my website uploading. I hope I made my point. Then you could go to settings and check that out, guys. Settings is settings. Enable scheduled cleanup and optimization. It's a beta feature weekly. And this is how I set it up. Optimize database tables, clean all post revisions, remove trash posts, remove spam and trash comments, remove expired. Transient options. Unapproved? No, I didn't check that. Auto draft posts, I didn't check that. But I watched videos to learn that, and it makes sense. Now let's go to images. What's so great about WordPress optimizing? It's compressing images, compressing the sizes, automatically compress newly added images. You know, I should just do that right now. Of course I want to do that. Saved options. Show compression meta box on an image dashboard media page. These are all my images that I have linked to this website. And what that means is, here, let me give you an example. Oh, this one was a good example. I'm going to view this image. I'm going to delete this image. I just, stuff you choose along the way. This is what they mean. They show the compression image settings right here. You see this? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go back to the middle. I'm going to compress this image. Watch what happens. Connecting, it's compressing. And now it will tell me how much space I'm saving. Oh, that's a good example. The file was compressed from 202.62 kilobytes to 198.64 kilobytes. I'm saving 1.96% space using WordPress Optimize. Isn't that great? Then you can restore it if you want to bring it back to the original size. I got a little lost here. Let me go back here. Okay, I could go here. Oh, it opened it up in another tab. I get it. Okay, so that's what that's about. That's really good to know. You want your images to upload as fast as possible. Now, another great important part, the cache. The cache is very important. The cache in computers, it's a temporary storage space or memory that allows fast access to data. And that's what you want. Because when repeat visitors and it matters, it speeds up the uploading. Then I have to check out all these settings. Preload, enable page caching, I have that. Purge cache, deletes the entire cache contents, but keeps the page cache enabled. I'll do that. I have to go through these settings again, because now I've been watching videos, using it, studying it, learning it, so I understand it now. Generate separate files for mobile devices. I might do that. Yeah, I might do those. But these are different settings for the cache. But if you're very new, just make sure you have this enabled. This is all that's needed for cache to work. And then you could be more specific as you grow and learn. Learn more about how to use the WordPress Optimize and Minify. Minify is great too, because Minify, it's taking cascading style sheets, JavaScript code, and HTML codes and minifying them. They're connecting, they're making them work faster. It's the same concept of compressing images. I'm probably going to enable that. So it all starts with visiting the link in the description below if you're building a WordPress website, and purchase the Updraft Plus using my referral link, please. Updraft Plus, the world's most trusted WordPress backup, restore, and clone plugin. I'm learning so much. People have hundreds of sites, and it keeps everything organized, updated. It's coming along. All these companies use Updraft Plus. Here's the premium. Just so you know, I paid $70 for my 2 websites for the first year, and then thereafter it's $42 a year to renew it, and it's a write-off at tax time. WordPress Optimize, it's an add-on to Updraft Plus. It's $39 a year for 2 websites. That's great, and it's a write-off. And as you can see, Updraft Plus, this is the dashboard. I have my sites synced to it. Got my backups. You can check everything out in here too. I learned about the Wordpress Optimize because of updraftplus. I understand Updraft Volt. It does come with the basic package. You want to learn more about it, you can. Auto updates, I'm using that. And I have a lot more. A lot more to learn, but you got to start someplace. Guys, good luck. And I'm going to continue to remove all those tables and optimize because my websites were slow. Oops. My websites were really slow. And I'm too new for it to be that slow. Have a good one, guys. Good luck.